Hello, everybody. This is the weekly review for March 8th to March 12th in AP World History as we continued Unit 7, Global Conflicts. We started the week talking about the causes of World War II. In this exercise, we reviewed both the causes and consequences of World War II. Causes included things such as Italian, German, and Japanese aggression, and also the shaky truce that was established by the Treaty of Versailles at the end of World War I. Consequences included the need to rebuild destroyed regions of Europe and Asia, and the establishment of the United Nations. We compared the similarities and differences in how various countries conducted World War II. These countries included Germany, England, the US, and the USSR. One common thread is that they all had strong leaders and used propaganda to conduct the war. But they also differed in their approach to cooperation with other states versus attempting independence and isolationism as far as how they conducted the war. For the last 2 weeks, our four-class focus and executive functioning skill has been respect. This includes being engaged in class, emphasizing the benefits and satisfaction of learning, and attempting to complete work in a timely fashion. Later next week, we will have an exit ticket on respect and move on to a new executive functioning skill. Later in the week, another assignment we worked on was called Mass Atrocities After 1900, where we compared the causes and consequences of several mass atrocities that occurred in the 20th century. We discussed atrocities that occurred in Armenia, the Ukraine, Cambodia, and Rwanda. And we reviewed such atrocities in relation to the Holocaust, because again, the Holocaust was not an isolated incident in the 20th century. And this also led to a discussion of why the 20th century saw such a frequency of atrocities in such a short period of historic time. We didn't have an assignment for causation in global conflict, but I did create a short screencast showing examples of causes in global conflict in the 20th century. The goal was for students to explain the relative significance of the causes of global conflict in this period from 1900 to the present. Causes included such things as advanced technology, the changing global order, particularly after it went through such a radical change after World War I, and revolutionary ideology that began at the turn of the 20th century. Students took the Unit 7 exam on Thursday and half of Friday's class. This was the first attempt by students to take an exam by themselves. I will be scoring them this weekend, and you will have an opportunity to take a look at how you did and repair anything that you might have gotten incorrect. What's next as we continue our examination of history from 1900 to the present? We'll finish the Unit 7 exam and begin Unit 8 on the Cold War and decolonization, and we'll also begin working on the next DBQ essay. That's it for now. Take care.